Go!
Anyway, hi guys, I'm Nigel Mano, running for Academics Department Head. Just to give a brief overview po ni Mayor sa Academics Department, we're in charge of the projects like 9MO and the pools and also of course yung members namin. So ito yung tatlong pools, so brief overview lang. Each of my point naka-focus in one of those aspects. For the projects is the render policies for continuity and efficient project management. In line with this, ang gusto kong gawin is for the continuity part, gagayahin ko yung parang ginagawa sa yung same goal ng apprenticeship program except for previous project heads and current project heads. So, yung magagawa nito, ma-avoid din yung mga madaling yung mga problems na encounter na dati, madali na ma-solve. So, madali na ma-solve, at the same time, hindi na mauulit. So, mas efficient yung magiging project handling. Anyway, yung isa pa is yung Gantt chart. Actually, suggestion to ni Camby na gusto nyo mag-run din sana ng Academics Department Head. Pero for this one, dito yung Gantt chart. For those who don't know, yun yung sa x-axis yung date and time. Tapos sa y-axis yung task. Tapos each of those may naka-assign na task for that. It makes, if this is gonna be part of project heads, para naman may sense of involvement. At a sense of involvement in core members. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna require each core member to be assigned to one of those tasks. Para naman alam nila na hindi lang sila maging idle at may naka-assign sa kanila. Yan. Ngayon naman for the pools, yung pinaka-main point ko is restructure. Ito yung current structure ng pools right now. Kami yung academic, tapos may 3 heads for each pool, tapos members. That's it. Ang gusto kong gawin, restructure in such a way na ganito yung mangyayari. Ito yung mga nagbago. Magkakaroon ng deputies, parang quote-unquote core team ng mga pools. Kasi I believe in the untapped potential na pwedeng magawa ng pools. Ang dami pa na pwedeng gawin right now. And dumadami ngayon yung efficiency na pwedeng magawa, na pwedeng ma-improve. Yung magagawa naman ito is, una, emphasis ng class tutorials, magiging mas madali na since ito nga pala yung project sa TV na pinaka-magusto ng MathDep. So, given the deputies, magkakaroon ng additional support, magiging mas tataas yung quality in essence. So, for the archivist pool naman, may thorough distribution of labor na. From the previous archivist pool, sabi nila yung job na yun, sobrang magagawa ng konting tao lang, tapos yung diffusion responsibility mas apparent. So ngayon, focus ng QMP, at least, di ba sa PSS, walang nag-a-attend. At least yung deputies, sila nag-a-attend. Hindi, joke lang. I mean, at least, magiging efficient yung promo making and all those other things. Kaya sa naman for the members, I believe in the power of IC, in individual consultation. Ang dami magagawa because the one-on-one interaction can really focus on one member. So ngayon naman, yung connection naman na gusto kong gawin sa pool heads, sa deputies, na-require ko yung weekly meetings nila para kasama dun sa weekly routine nila yung AMS. Hindi lang yung tipong mag-vanish lang out of nowhere. Na tipong, okay, at this date, kailangan may gawin. Yun din, semester ICs between pool heads and members. So yung mga hindi covered ng pools, yung mga wala sa pools, covered namin. So ito, out of the more technical stuff, ito na yung gusto ko out of the more technical stuff, ito yung reason ko ba gusto kong putoy. Iboto nyo ako for Academics Department Head. Ako yung stereotypical na Academics Department member na tipong sobrang introvert. I'm not implying that stereotype to every Academics head, pero Academics Department member. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, ang nangyari sa akin is sobrang hindi ako makapag-active because no one was pulling me there. So I would like to thank yung dalawang Academics ngayon na talagang hinila ako for this one. At ngayon, gusto kong bigay yung same opportunity na binigay nila sa inyo by being them. Guys, pero ito kasi. Sila yung reason kung bakit ako pumasok na AMS, pero yung reason kung bakit ako nag-stay is dahil sa inyo. So gusto kong bigay talaga sa inyo yung same opportunities na binigay sa akin ng ilang dalawa. So thank you all for me. Nigel Mano for Academics Department.